So you have 2 snipers? And we haven't even looted the other buildings. Watch, this is the kind of game we're gonna get fucked on though. We get all this good shit.
Yeah, probably. Because I cannot shoot fucking fast.
There's another car in here.
Are you fucking... Are you
You can
fucking
have
with me
you
right
can have
now?
the ammo. I swear.
Oh my... Wait, another fucking car?
Yeah.
Bullshit. Dude, there's no fucking way.
I swear to God, man. I swear to God. I can't even carry shit. I have so much ammo. I'm having to drop stuff.
I know, like, oh my god. And it's only going to give us level 1 backpacks. You know that, right?
I have a level 3. What are you talking about?
Oh, fuck you. I need a level 2.
There's another vector and a pan. Gas mask. The god spawn right here. I had to drop some 5.56.
How many rounds do you have of it?
Uh,
Oh my god, Carrie, there's a fucking
3.
SKS in here.
I
Oh my
have
god.
I have 320 rounds. I
Oh
guess I'll
my
take the
god.
SK over the AR. I mean AK.
Oh my god.
I'll
Alright,
come
yeah,
to
just keep
SKS.
all your fucking... Oh, well, we don't have shit for sights.
I know.
What the fuck, dude? So 2 cars, 2 M6, 2 416s, a VSS, an SKS, a SCAR,
2
an AK,
vectors.
2 fucking vectors, a UMP.
Alright.
What in
Dude,
the fuck?
I have every attachment too for my M4.
Oh fuck yeah, dude! I got it 4 times. You
Damn.
can run this 2 times on your SKS if you want.
Alright. Which buildings have we not looted? Have you looted big building?
Yeah.
I'm gonna come get your 2
Alright,
times.
so we need to run to that house to the south. Alright, here. Alright, we need to loot that blue building on the back. Oh fuck, barrier.
Oh boy.
Whatever. Alright, run to the south. We're gonna have to suck it up because we need to loot this house real quick. Oh my god, dude, we got so fucking far to run too.
We were captivated by the fucking loot.
I mean, fuck, dude, we got more
There's a
fucking
car.
5.56.
I mean, like a literal car, you hear it?
Yeah. Another fucking AK.
There's no sights. No sights. There's painkillers up here if you need them, but we need to get running.
I'm drinking an energy drink real quick. Alright, let's go. Oh my god, dude.
I have 320 rounds of 5.56.
I got almost 309 mil.
Hey, we need to go straight west.
Yeah.
Right through the bombing zone. Maybe that'll be gone. We need a car. So when do you pop first aid? At what point? When you get to a quarter?
Roughly.
Yeah, the only thing they didn't give us was a car. I guess we can't complain.
I mean, dude, if the circle would have stayed close,
Yeah.
oh my god, I can't get over that shit. See, that's when we need to play a fucking squad game, man, cause
Yeah, everybody would be geared.
oh my god, like, imagine if we were playing 4 players. Dude, we have so fucking far to run.
I know.
Motorcycle.
For real?
Yeah.
You wanna pop a first aid before we get on it?
Alright. I'll pop Red Bull or something.
Do you not have a first aid?
I mean, I got 1. I'm trying to save it.
Alright, I only got 2. I'm gonna... Alright, let me pop energy too then.
Alright, go for it.
Ready...
Taking
Go.
painkillers.
Alright, I'll take 1. Oh shit.
Let me know.
I got 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god. I
gonna
swear to
make
God,
it?
if somebody kills us,
Do we need to pop first aid, you think?
no.
Or will this adrenaline keep us?
Pull up your map. How close are we to the circle?
We're about halfway.
Fucking hell.
I'll just watch health bar. When we get to a quarter, or when I do, we need to pop. Oh, I'm lagging out. Or did you wreck?
I had one. There's a buggy right there.
Alright.
Oh shit!
Oh boy.
Fucking
I'm
hell!
dead.
No! No! Fuck this! Motherfucker!
Oh.